حضور سؤالي من سورة الواقعة آية 14.
Which verse?
14.
14. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. This is verse 14 from Surah Al-Waqi'ah, chapter number 55. Sullatun min al-awwaleen, a large party from among the I think I give this translation from here, from among earlier people.
Earlier,
yes, a large party from among the earlier people.
وقليل من الآخرين,
and a small party from among the people of the latter days.
Yes. So it also goes on ayah 40, where it says,
and then in verse number 40 and 41 it says Sullatum min al-awwaleen wa Sullatum min al-akhirin, a large party from among the early people and a large party from the later ones.
Hazur, I just wanted to know the difference between the first and the second one.
What did you say?
He wants to know the difference between the verse and the second verse.
First of all, read the full translations, and also when you read in Arabic, everybody would understand, but translation also should be read.
Yes. So the first part was verse number 14, which is Sullatum min al-awwaleen, a large party from.
But read a few lines first and then follow it on.
Yeah.
Everything should be very clear.
فَأَصْحَابُ الْمَيْمَنَةِ مَا أَصْحَابُ الْمَيْمَنَةِ وَأَصْحَابُ الْمَشْأَمَةِ مَا أَصْحَابُ الْمَشْأَمَةِ وَالسَّابِقُونَ السَّابِقُونَ أُولَئِكَ الْمُقَرَّبُونَ فِي جَنَّاتِ النَّعِيمِ سُلَّةٌ مِّنَ الْأَوَّلِينَ وَقَلِيلٌ مِّنَ الْآخِرِينَ. Translation is, first those on the right hand, how lucky are those on the right hand. Second, those on the left hand, how unlucky are those on the left hand. Third, the foremost, they are the foremost. They will have achieved nearness to God. They will be in the gardens of bliss. A large party from among the early people and a few from the later ones.
Now this is first. You see, the Sahaba of sallallahu alaihi wasallam advanced so close to God that it was a large party, and as compared to the people of the latter days, they were less in number who reached that status. So it's very clear. From among the Sahaba was Muslim ﷺ, the companions all the companions did not reach the same status number as the companions of the early time, that is the time of Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this is a very special status, and we know this. The companions were revolutionized by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and this, as far as the number of those is concerned, it can't be compared with the latter days. The Quran is absolutely correct in this. And in the second verse, the medium people are mentioned, who do good deeds but do not rise to very special status. So a large party would be found among them from the earlier people as well as from the later days. You see, now, because of the preaching, very large number of people are converting to Ahmediyya with the grace of Allah, and they are also to be counted among those who are moderately forward and moderately closer to Allah.